Now, one other thing we've heard from people getting started with the agent is that they sometimes don't know how to best prompt it to get the results they want. And so they have this challenge where their productivity, which is a key selling point of the agent, may be hampered a little bit because they're not as familiar with the tool as they'd like to be. So we're also adding this new prompt builder, which captures common workflows and exposes them in a wizard-style interface, which we'll click through here. So let's go ahead and create an announcement in our course. So now, instead of starting from a blank page, where I may not know quite what to ask, I'm able to run through this workflow. So what are the key points I want to cover in my announcement? Who should receive it? Right? So let's pick the right course. And when do I want this announcement to go out? And now once I've done those, it doesn't do it for me, it generates the prompt, which helps me first accomplish the task, but second, help me develop my prompt literacy skills. So I can go ahead and send that right to the agent, or Ruth can, and here we go. Now the agent is off creating that announcement for me inside of Canvas. And there it is. Okay?